Hey friends, Diana here, and I don't know about you all, but when I've been at the farmer's market, I've been seeing all these great tomatoes and peppers, because it's that end of the summer kind of thing. And I was thinking, wouldn't that be great if we could take something like this and salsa! Ta-da! But, of course, that isn't how it really works, and then you wouldn't need this video if we could just do that. So, I wish we could just magically make salsa appear. But since we can't, we'll do it actually pretty easy, like almost like magic, because I'm all about simple easy. So that's why I got my little KitchenAid, what's this? Oh, food processor. That's what it's called. And I keep it really simple. So I got a big knife though, watch out. So first what I'm going to do is I'm putting in 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, but you probably want to just start with 2 because I like my garlic a lot. And then I'm going to add in 1 onion. And it's just cut into 4ths. Boom. And then I'm going to add my jalapeno. So with your jalapeno, I know this is like the biggest knife you've ever seen. I kind of feel like a pirate when I'm using it. So you don't want the seeds, you want the flavor. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. And I just use actually a grapefruit spoon I use to kind of scoop out the seeds in that middle part there. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to do it again here. Perfect. And then I'm going to add my pepper. So what I like to do is this part I'm going to want to get it chopped up really fine. This is a pretty big pepper. I'm actually not going to put this whole pepper in because it's big, but an average size pepper would be fine. And then of course you always have to figure out how these things go back on. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to blend this so the pieces get all nice and small. Here. Okay. It's gonna get loud. And so you could sit and chop all these things, and that's like the traditional way, which I support completely, but it's not my way. So you gotta pulse it a little bit because the big pieces, they get kind of stuck. See, and so we're getting this good blend. Be careful when you do that because it's onion in your face. And if you're like me, I cry. So we're actually doing really good. It's blending up really good for me. But, okay, so I've got my basics one in there, but of course I'm not done because we have to add tomatoes. Whoa, get an onion. So these tomatoes are the ones that are like too ripe to really use, are perfect for salsa. So when your tomatoes are starting to go bad, but not bad, but just really ripe and you can't really cut them. That's good when they're good for sauce. Look at that exploding. For salsa or salsa. So we put it in there, and I have, well, as you can see, I have 4 and then a big one. I'm kind of seeing by how much it looks like I need. Cutting off the ends. Boom, boom. Because I want to, whoa, see how juicy these are? This is perfect for the salsa, but they're harder, like you wouldn't want to be doing them for when you're, cutting a tomato for a sandwich or something like that. Okay, I didn't cut myself at all. Yay. Okay, so then we're putting these in, and this one I'm not necessarily trying to blend the smithereens. But another thing I'm going to add in right now too is I need some olive oil and some salt. Okay, so I'm going to add olive oil in here, about a tablespoon. Okay, and then I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of salt right now. And of course, you always add more salt and pepper if you want at the end to taste. So then we're going to pulse this. And if my tomatoes aren't juicy enough, sometimes I add a little bit more olive oil. But the salt and the olive oil help bring the flavors together. Okay. So let's get this. So the trick is you sometimes do get like 1 or 2 big chunks of tomato when you do this. To me, totally worth how easy it is. Okay. Ooh, that looks really good. Here. See what I'm talking about? Y'all, I did that, in a few minutes? Super easy. So now all you need are some chips or some tacos and you're totally good to go. Now I do recommend you can let this go in the fridge and it will taste a little better in like a couple hours or so, because the flavors can really meld and get together. Now spice wise, I don't really know what this is because I don't know how spicy my jalapeno was. So sometimes I might add in more, or it's kind of a, you just don't know. Or if you like spice, just get a spicier kind of pepper, which makes it fun. So, yay! That was my super easy salsa recipe. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you liked it. I hope you eat something yummy. Maybe I should be doing this for Taco Tuesday. But I think salsa is great and healthy, so it makes me really happy. So go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I look forward to doing more videos with you all. Thanks! I have to taste the salsa, right? Let's see how spicy this actually is. Generous helping. Good. Crunchy chips. It's just a little bit of spice, I think. And it's so fresh. That's what I love about this salsa. It's just like psh, freshness, summer. So, hope you guys all enjoy your salsa. I'm really glad I made this salsa today.